Installing another Wolfbox camera today. I have become a big fan of these guys. I've got one in my Suburban, and we installed one on the Ford over there, and now we are installing one on this Blazer. This is the latest version that gives you a front-mounted camera, but also a port for a camera that's going to mount to the true front of your vehicle. And then obviously you're still going to have your rear-mounted camera. So this is the kit that it comes with. Cameras, GPS, receiver, all the necessary wiring, and a pretty cool instruction book. So we'll come back at you when we've got more stuff mounted. But quick shout out to Wolfbox. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. I am a fan of these things. I'm recommending them for all the builds we do right now. I installed a Wolfbox in my truck a while ago. I've got my rear view mirror here. If I scroll over, there's my front mirror. Scroll over one more time, I've now got front and back. Switch sides, now back to just the front, just the rear. But look at that. You get a very high quality picture, but you also get the ability to pan the camera, tilt the camera, and really see what's around. For backing up, it's next level. 12 volts constant, 12 volt switch. You're going to need to run wires to the front camera, the rear camera, and you're going to need to plug in the GPS system. It's been fairly easy for us to do these systems because we've been doing them in the middle of builds. So I've got 2 trucks here right now that have the system in them. I told you I love these things. So here's a system that we're installing into this beautiful Blazer right now. This is their new 3-camera system. So in addition to having a camera in the front of the mirror like that, we have a camera in the back, right down here. And then we have another camera up front that we hit in the grill right there. So there is quite a bit of wiring to get the camera wires all the way back to the head unit. But it's worth it because the functionality you get out of this thing is significant. But yeah, there are quite a few wires. You do need to be aware of that, but the wiring isn't difficult. It's just making sure that things run nicely. The hardest part is finding 12 volt switched and 12 volt constant. I believe they give you a plug to do that on certain models. I prefer to hardwire it into the system because we're building these things from scratch. Anyway, so got one in there, got one in my burb, and then we got one over here in this Ford. So this guy is getting the same system, and we finished installing the GPS. So there's the GPS system up on the roof for this guy. And let's get you inside. You can see the camera system and all of the pertinent accessories, the power for the rear camera, front camera, GPS, and the unit itself. And yeah, camera on the front of this guy also, right down there. I'm pretty sure we've installed the rear one. Let's just double check here. Yeah, temporary location for it, but I initially was not a fan of dash cams and backup cameras on these trucks. The first generation of units that I saw, they just didn't have the resolution. And if you can't make out what's in the mirror video image, then it's useless. Second thing, they were laggy and buggy, and so they didn't work immediately. And I needed them to be working like a mirror, so instantly. And then the other thing I found was when you did get the system, it was heavy, it was clunky. The cameras were cheap, or the mount was cheap and it would vibrate and you couldn't see anything. So just a whole bunch of problems. I saw the Wolfbox a couple of years ago and was immediately impressed with it and put one on my burb. And now, like I said, I've installed them on quite a few vehicles and they continue to improve it. So yeah, I'm getting behind this product because it has been very cool. I've been impressed with it. I've been using it in my truck for quite a while, and I put it in customer vehicles, so that gives you an idea. I know Wolfbox is going to be watching this video, so here is some feedback that maybe they will pay attention to, maybe not. We are getting to the point where we have a lot of wires going into the mirror up on the windshield. And it's kind of becoming a lot. Is there a way, and this is my only criticism, is there a way to have like a located junction box that you can put under the dash that has one wire going up to the mirror, and then you can run everything else to that junction box that stays under your dash? Running everything up to the camera, running everything up to the mirror itself seems, well, there's a lot of wires, as you saw. Regardless, I think this is the best system on the market right now. Yeah, these things are great. They can save you in the long run. If you've got a dash cam, you know what that means. I'm going to link some links down below that will give you a discount on this unit. And hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Have you tried the Wolfbox? Do you like it? Yeah, thank you again to Wolfbox for sending this out. Please make sure to go over and check out their stuff, and also give me a like and a subscribe. And we'll see you next week.